guys, we received this very awesome COOLCRAZY 4K Ultra HD dashcam for real purposes, and it comes in this really nice bag. So let's see how it is. I'm actually gonna put my glasses on. Whoa. This is okay. Here it is. It's actually really nice. To use this driving recorder, read the user manual before using, format the card at first use, and you don't use any sharp tool to touch the LED display. Basic stuff. Alright. It has this like rubber bands, so you can put it in your mirror. You will adjust the length, and it will be like this, as a cloth to clean it. This little thing to get the part of your car out, the GPS, the camera, this to connect to your cigarette lighter port in your car, so it's the energy for the mirror, another cable for the rear view camera, mounts, and the user manual. Okay, it's an 11.8 inch stream media, so it's really nice. You can play the recordings in here, which is nice to have in your rear view mirror. See ya.